So it's been a very satisfactory experience.
You were here on time, and you worked very diligently the whole day, and I really appreciate it.
Very professional and very fast.
We'll come out, give you a free estimate, and make you another happy customer.
It's a pleasure to deal with people that really know their job.
Got out here quick, did a fantastic job, everything is super, I'm extremely pleased.
Thank you.
Use them again.
Thanks.
Your great service, and it was efficient and clean and expedient.
Nice to find you. This was a great job. Loved every minute of it. You were professional and great.
Fantastic. They do great work, always punctual, very thorough with the work.
And everything turns out great. Wonderful plumbing service.
Thank you, Marty. Thanks.
So far, they fixed everything, and we were satisfied, and I think they did a very good job.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Granger's an incredible plumber. All my properties, he's taking care of every problem. Always on time, very fair, reasonable pricing, and great plumber. Go with him.
The estimate was great. We loved them, so definitely use them. Thumbs up.
Give us a call.